Guys, what's up, elders? TopTradingReviews.com. Today is the 10th of April 2019. Let's get started. So the AutoTradingHub, how you guys doing? Leave a comment down below. Right, the first thing I'm gonna show you is my broker. All the time like this, investors.com. This is my live trading account. I have one trade currently open, and I'll explain to you why in a second, but I'll just show you my trade history real quick. One of the trades is AUD USD. As you see, I manually closed this trade off. This is because I saw that this trade and this trade is contradicted. Both are AUD USD, but one is sell and one is a buy order. And obviously one's going to be in profit and one's not. Even though they're not the same currencies, they correlate with each other like 80% of the time. So they mirror each other. And if you do a buy and a sell, it's never going to be in profit, more than likely. So I just closed one trade off. This trade I opened on the 8th of April, which that day I was really ill and I had a headache. So hence why I made this mistake. Also, if we look at last 3 days, some of my trades closed. As you can see over here, this one reached take profit, this one reached take profit, and this one. So USD JPY, USD CAD, and GBP USD all reached my take profit. And total profit is 347 euros and 54 euro cent. And obviously I have this AUD trade closed, which is 72 minus, which I shouldn't have opened really. And I also have this Euro USD trade, which I shouldn't have opened as well. As you can see, this was on 8th of April as well when I was sick. So I wasn't really paying attention, and hence why, look, it doesn't even have any take profit and whatnot. Thank God I closed it, because I could have lost potentially all of my money, or, you know, won a lot of money. But if you don't have take profit and stop loss loads, it's very risky. So I never suggest you guys do it. Obviously I closed it off. Thank God I did. You know, I saw it. I was like, what was I doing? I just closed it off. So it was like minus 745 because of the spread difference. However, yeah, it's fine. I feel better now. By the way, guys, I'm still kind of sleepy. I don't know. I'm probably gonna go work out after making this video. I usually work out, go boxing and stuff. So I'm feeling kind of on the edge. I don't know. I feel weak or something. I don't know, but we'll see. NZD USD, so one trade open is 67 euros profit at the moment, which is really nice. Obviously the swap rate is there as well, because it's been running since 5 days already. It's been open, but I'm keeping this trade. I believe this trade is a really good one. If you want to know the reason why, we can just have a look. NZD USD. So why do I think it's a good trade? Well, it's very easy. If you watch my previous video on support and resistance, you should check it out if you haven't. I teach you guys how to, you know, mark support and resistance lines and enter basically the trades on support and resistance. As you can see, one of my trades I opened around this level over here, and no, maybe this level over here, because I don't really remember. This was 5th of April. Yeah, so this level over here where this red candle is, that's where I opened my buy signal. And basically what happens is I am waiting now for it to shoot back up. Obviously, I see that there are some selling pressure as well. As you see, these 3 weeks, the past 3 days, they're not good news for me, because there's obviously selling pressure. And what it means is basically the market tries to push out from this support line. If it does, I'm gonna start losing money. But hopefully that doesn't happen, because they're fighting it off now. Buyers and sellers are literally fighting and having a go at each other. So hopefully it just bounces back from this support line and shoots back up to the top direction. If it shoots back up in the top, I'm gonna be making a lot of money with this NZD USD trade. That's why I placed it, and obviously it's been fighting up for the past, you know, couple of days. It hasn't made me a lot of profit at the moment. It was like 60 euros in profit. However, I can obviously manually close these trades. You know, when these trades, let's say, what was the time? This is the daily time frame, by the way. So if we go to the hourly, let's say, let's have a look. So if we just have a look, 10th of April, 8 in the morning, I could have closed this trade, you know, 8 in the morning with like, if it's now 18 pips, so it was like around 40 pips profit. I could have closed it and it was around, you know, 150 euros in profit, 200 euros in profit, around that estimate. I could have closed it 8 in the morning. However, I was still sleeping. I didn't know. Now it went down, but that's what trading is. You know, sometimes you just can't catch the perfect entry and perfect closure time. That's why you have these take profits, to just manually close them. And yeah, if you obviously are scared they're not gonna reach take profit, you can obviously just go in here and click take profit or stop loss level and just change it a little bit. You can change it to whatever you want, you know, 30 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips, if you think it's gonna really shoot up in your direction, and you're gonna be making a lot more money. As I suggest, guys, also stop loss should be no less than 40 to 50 pips, because you never want to get kicked out from the market. A lot of you guys on the Easy Trade app, not AutoTradingHub, but Easy Trade app, there's like these things called Classic, Fibonacci and Martingale methods. Most of you used to trade on classic methods, and because they're very short trades, they're probably gonna have a very small stop loss level, and what happens with a very small stop loss level is you get kicked out from the market very quickly, and maybe it would have went to your direction. Let's say if you will buy Euro USD but it was going down a little bit, it reaches your stop loss, stops you out, and starts going to your direction where you would have made money, but because you had a very low stop loss, you get kicked out from the market. That's what happens. Anyway, let's play some trades. So what do we see over here? GBP USD. GBP USD, as I said, it's been making me so much money throughout Easy Trade app and AutoTradingHub, both softwares. Literally money makers all the time. But what do we see on GBP USD? What do we see? We can see this massive buy trend line. Obviously it's a buying trend line at the moment. As you can see, there's a lot of buying pressure. It's bouncing back from here, bouncing back. However, at the moment, even though we made a lot of money from GBP USD, at the moment we see some wicks over here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 wicks. That means there is some selling pressure over this line over here, as you can see. Which means there's some kind of resistance, and it's not really, as you can see, these it's kind of getting squished. As you can see, there's resistance, but there's that support trend line, and it keeps getting squished. So what usually happens in these wedge patterns, basically there's gonna be a massive move or a shootout to a up direction or a down direction. At the moment, we might still be able to place a nice trade on GBP USD. However, it's not going to be 172 pips. Nowhere near that. We're going to place another trade on GBP USD, since I'm confident that it's probably going to bounce back one more time to this level over here at least. We can just have a look at how many pips we should really place. As you can see, 65 pips. So if you just place 50 pip, take profit, you know, you should be fine. So let's do that. GBP USD, let's do, I don't know, 30 actually. Click trade, investors, and obviously we switch off the auto trading function because we're gonna change the take profit NSL levels. So as you can see over here, GBP USD buy trade, everything's already set up. The only thing we need to do is obviously just change these values a little bit. We want to have 50 take profit, and let's do a nice 40 stop loss at the moment and click trade. GBP USD buy signal is already placed. It's obviously going to be in the minus first off because of the spread difference of the broker. What happens is after the trade starts moving in your direction, let's say the buy direction, so going up, and you're going to see the amount you're trading is going to be in the green, and you should be profiting. So that's how simple it is. It's just spread difference. All trades once you open is going to be in the red. So don't panic if you're new to trading. Right, another thing let's have a look at. So Euro USD, obviously I've been looking at this probably in all my videos. But as you can see, this little channel is still here. This is analyzing daily. As you can see, it's been bouncing back, but at the moment it's in the middle of this channel, so I don't think it's the best time to place trade. Even though it's now going down, it might go down, it might go up. We can see there's obviously selling pressure over here because of these 2 wicks. However, it's Euro USD. It's a very hard currency to trade. Very hard to trade it because there's so much market makers over here, and they try to manipulate the markets, and you know, you think it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, and then it's crazy. Hence why I stick to other let's say GBP USD, USD JPY. I really like that one. So let's have a look at what USD JPY is offering us. USD JPY at the moment. Okay, so we see obviously this trend line over here. However, we just need to mark some resistance zones a little bit over here. Could we say this is a support? Maybe it's a support over here, but not very likely. I think this support is gonna get broken for some reason, even though it's bounced back here. There was a few things. USD JPY, probably not the best time to sell it or buy it actually. I don't like this trade at all actually, so we're just gonna skip that one. AUD USD, let's have a look what it's got on offer. Oh, AUD USD, so this one is interesting. As you can see over here, it's been consolidating for the past, I don't know what, 12th of March. So for the past month it's been consolidating. And let's just have a look over here. Rectangle. As you can see, this is basically the support line over here, clear support. As you can see, there's a lot of bounces, touches, whatever you want to call them, and you can see it over here as well. There's a lot of touches, bounces, whatever you want to call it. And at the moment, AUD USD is touching this resistance line. And as I saw my signal, it was AUD USD sell, but at the moment I cannot see it anymore since we were analyzing and we totally missed the trade. And that usually happens to me, hence why I don't really place a lot of trades, because I like to analyze and I just missed the trades. However, I believe that still you need to analyze to be profitable. You cannot just believe that this AutoTradingHub is some kind of magic, you know, pill or something that is gonna make you profitable. You need to add in some work. If you analyze like me, what I'm showing you, you're gonna be making money. If not, well, then it's your own fault, you know. I don't know what you guys do, you know. Some of you sometimes email me and show me your trade history, and you place like 6 trades in a row, and I'm thinking, well, why would you do that with a small account? You cannot just have a 250 account and trade like 5-6 trades with 0.01 lot size. You know, place one good trade that you analyzed and you actually believe in and have a normal lot size than having 6 trades open that you don't even know what you're doing. It's much better to just analyze a little bit, trust me. So, it is a sell at the moment on AUD USD. However, I totally missed the trade. So if I see it, I'll place it. But at the moment, obviously, we missed it. So we need to be moving on. So I'm just having a look at other trades. Euro GBP is actually kind of interesting as well. Euro GBP currently a sell. And if we obviously look at over here, it's a resistance line and a support line. And now it's shooting down. So Euro GBP is actually a really good trade. So let's do 0.40 and click trade before I miss this trade, because I already missed some trades. So let's just stop analyzing and click it. The server can take some time. Bam. So obviously we want to just change the values a little bit. As I said, 52, as you can see, stop loss 37. You don't want 37, you want something in regards to that. Maybe actually 60. Let's do 60 take profit, 50 as sell, and click trade. Open position Euro GBP. As you can see, GBP USD is now 12 euros in profit, which is very nice. It literally took like what, 5 to 10 minutes. So it's amazing, you know. That's what you do. You analyze a little bit. You don't trust the software fully. What you do is you trust the same signal what you're thinking. So if you're thinking it's a sell and the software is saying it's a sell, place a trade. If not, then don't do it. Don't do it. I don't place trades like that, and I've been profitable. I'm just showing you guys how to do it, how I do it. I don't know what you've been, you know, watching in other YouTubers, and they've been teaching you other stuff. But if you're watching me, then, you know, do what I do, and you're gonna be making profit. That's how easy it is. I'm serious. If not, then watch someone else, and maybe you know, they show you different techniques. I don't know. However, if you follow me, do what I do, and then you will be profitable. How easy is that? It's on you, you know, it's on you. I've been showing you guys how I've been doing it for the past, I don't know, 10 days now on AutoTradingHub, and it's been profitable. So USD CAD, let's have a look at USD CAD. This might be a good trade at the moment. Actually, it's not a good trade. Why is it not a good trade? Well, USD CAD, we can see this little trend line over here, but it's not a very good trend line because it's not really bounced back here. It should really shoot up a little bit. There's no really higher highs at the moment. It's probably going down a little bit. So we could potentially just, you know, kind of make it like this. So it's kind of going down. We can draw it like a million ways at the moment. It's not the best time to, you know, yeah, it's not a good trade, USD CAD. We can obviously do some support and resistance as well. Over here, that's the resistance line. That's the support. So I believe that it probably, if any signal, it probably should be going up, USD CAD up. But at the moment, it's a down signal, and I see why, because there's a little wick over here, so it might be pushing down. So that's what I'm saying, you know, if you don't agree with the software, don't place a trade. That's all you need to do. Yeah, probably not gonna place any more trades because I've been looking at trades for a while now. 3 trades is more than enough, guys. You know, if you're new to this, you know, 250 account, use just 1 trade. If you have like an account that I started with 500, you can place maybe 2 or maybe 3. But I suggest you guys, if you're new, just one big trade with the bigger lot size, rather than, you know, 5 different trades that you don't know what you're doing and you have zero control of. Also, economic calendar on Friday, there's Brexit news, I think, on GBP pairs. So there's gonna be a lot of volatility on the GBP pairs. So any pairs that GBP USD, GBP Euro GBP, or any other of that, and you traded it, make sure to trade it in the right direction. If you don't know how to do this, fxtrade.com does a lot of analysis, fundamental analysis. You can read through some articles, and they actually say why GBP is gonna go into a buying direction, why it's gonna go to a selling direction. There's a lot of useful information in these websites that you can use, and I use it personally to make money. The only thing you need to do is just do some research, guys, and trust me, you're gonna be making money. I'm telling you guys, this is not a magic pill. This is how it is. If you don't want to learn and educate yourself to make money, it's fine. I'm here to tell my subscribers that are willing to learn and educate and put in the effort to, you know, succeed and make money. That's how I've been making money for all this time. These softwares work if you use them properly. If not, you might be losing money. I don't know. I never really trade these softwares like a, you know, a gambling addict or something, you know, 0-10, you know, click trade without analysis. That's not how I trade. That's not my style, and probably will never trade like that because I've been trading Forex for 5 years. And it's just not who I am. So if you want to join the AutoTradingHub and actually learn from me, there's a ton of videos in my channel. Link will be down in the description below to register on the AutoTradingHub. Easy Trade app is great as well. I've been using both of them. They're really good. And yeah, if you have any questions, queries, I'll answer them. toptradingreviews@gmail.com, or Facebook me, Instagram me, Twitter me. I have all social media. I'm active in all of them. And take care, guys. Have a nice day. Love you guys, and goodbye.